Yeah, it's tremendous to be able to come back from an accident like that. Yeah. So tell us about our weather.
Well, first of all, I want to show you guys what's happening with the latest snowpack numbers, because we haven't had any big snowstorms.
Right.
We haven't had any big heat waves, and the end result is that the snowpack levels are still above average. Now, it's not too much above average. I'd much rather be 117% of normal up in the Boise Basin than be, 83% of normal, because that gives us a little bit of a fudge factor there. The Payette Basin, 123% of normal. The Weiser Basin is still 143% of normal, and you can see the other numbers there that impact a lot of the flows into the streams and rivers here in southwestern Idaho. Outside right now, we're seeing that mixture of cloudy skies, some occasional breaks in the clouds, and we're also seeing temperature readings that are hovering right around the mid-60s here in the Treasure Valley. 65 is the current temperature in Boise. That is also the high temperature for the day, and that is on average about 6 to 7 degrees warmer than it should be this time of the year. The temperatures are going to stay very mild once again tomorrow, and one look at the satellite imagery and I think you will agree there are a lot of clouds out there in the Pacific Ocean. And all those clouds are caught up in that westerly flow, and that westerly flow is driving a lot of that moisture in our direction, with the next weather maker sitting right off the coastline. This is going to be the next surge of moisture that moves in from the southwest through the day tomorrow. And so I'm going to increase the possibility of scattered showers in the forecast for us in the Treasure Valley tomorrow afternoon. There may be a little sunshine in the morning, but please anticipate at least some shower activity tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. A little rain-snow mix for the mountains. The lower Treasure Valley will see the shower activity as well, but temperatures will stay very mild because the flow is going to be right out of the southwest, which just pumps in very mild air across the region. So Boise, Meridian, almost all areas again tomorrow will be in the mid-60s. So we'll say scattered showers tomorrow afternoon into the early morning hours on Saturday. Then I'm anticipating seeing a little sunshine by Saturday afternoon. But the next surge of moisture moves in on Sunday. It too will bring rain likely to the area on Sunday, and then periods of rain in the forecast on Monday and Tuesday, and still a chance of some shower activity in the forecast around Wednesday. Now look at the 7-day forecast for the mountains. You can understand why there's a little bit of a concern for some of the mountain streams and low-lying areas with temperatures like that, and you get a steady dose of rain and high elevation mountain snow. Some of those rivers and streams could rise quickly. Some of the low-lying mountain valleys could see water rise, and some of the low-lying roads could have some ponding. So that's something we'll be watching in the days to come, but the moisture just keeps headed right toward the state of Idaho with no break in sight right now for the next 7 to 10 days.
I remember, turn around, don't drown.
Yes, very good.
Thanks.